Lokpal Drafting Committee member Santosh Hegde says he will reconsider decision to quit panel.
As I talked, he told me not to take any precipitatory action until he meets me, or he said I get some problem with his knees. Not to take any precipitatory action until he meets me here. So I come with an open mind, and not open, with committed mind to Annaji's decision.
And so even Pranab Mukherjee yesterday, in a way,
very nice gesture on the part of the chairman of the committee. He was very fair in his statement, and so also I think many others have said that this type of vilification campaign should not go on.
Santosh Hegde, straight from the airport. Let's go across to him for his first comments. Sir, what do you hope to achieve via this visit to Delhi? You were very emotional a couple of days back when you said that you wanted to resign. What prompted you to change your mind?
I have not changed my mind. I was very hurt when an allegation was made touching on my integrity, and therefore I thought, why should I be involved in these things? So I got my other work in Bangalore. I'll continue with that and let somebody else take over my place here. I never said I'm going to resign. I said I'm thinking of resigning, and I'm going to Delhi to discuss this matter with my other colleagues. I can't let them down by taking a unilateral decision in the matter. I only gave expression to my thought in my mind. Now today we are meeting Annaji and others and all. We will take a decision which will be applicable to everybody else. All that issue, according to me, is not connected with this functioning of the committee. It is outside it. Of course, it's always easy to say that men who fight corruption should be above all corruption and everything. Whether it is corruption, acquiring property, whether it is corruption, is a matter now. It is sub judice, I believe, and it's in the court. Therefore, that issue will be decided.
Do you think there is a lot of controversy, dirt surrounding this whole panel now, and do you think there are vested interests at work?
If you throw dirt and controversy, you create controversies and say, and it is surrounding the panel, that doesn't mean that the panel is dirty or panel is controversial. This is something you throw something and say, see, that is dirty.